We're here today in the Bristol Museum and Art Gallery for a project that we did in collaboration with the museum and local games company Meaning Machine to bring to life the ancient Egyptian gods in the Egyptian gallery just behind me.
Ooh, Anubis!
Yay! Your body is in the process of being mummified. I need your help to ensure everything is prepared correctly. Will you assist me?
Sure.
Field of Reeds awaits, but first, we must uncover who you were in life. Your coffin, standing upright somewhere in this gallery, holds the key.
Really excited to hear about the project today, interested in the gamification elements of it.
This game is a mobile-based, location-based game powered by generative AI. It is effectively a conversational system. You are communing with the gods on a WhatsApp-like interface.
Instead of just passively consuming information, we had to actively go out and find it.
Galleries can be quite dark, and particularly the themes in the Egypt gallery are around things like death and the afterlife. But there's something very charismatic about how the design of the game and the gods work.
People want to connect with spaces, they want to connect with art, they want to connect with something that evokes an emotion.
It's the personality of the gods that was interesting in terms of the AI kind of aspect of it.
The afternoon is workshopping. We're going to be letting loose everyone who's played the game in the morning with the underlying technology to create their own conversational, game-based, quest-based experiences using other cultural heritage settings, other galleries, other libraries, other archives or museum settings that they're more familiar with.
What genre? Okay, fantasy.
Yeah.
Locations. How do they look? We need Delphi.
Okay, we need Delphi. Get up Athens.
It was so amazing to see the level of creativity and just wacky thinking that went into it.
I've always wanted to play around with the god Apollo, and so making him into like a dumb California surfer bro was just really fun.
Kind of escape room feel?
Yeah.
You think?
Okay, yeah.
You're in this sort of physical and like antiquated world, but it's all digital.
Posh lady saying, I hope you find our home agreeable. As for this Princess Caribou, she is quite the enigma.
We're now going to spend some time playing the games that we've created. You've all done a prototypable experience, which is absolutely incredible.
Testing and breaking not only the actual software, but also the hardware seems to me to be a really important part of the process of taking this from a really cool idea to something that could be deployed.
I genuinely think it'll help. It would definitely help with schools. If this was around when I was a kid, I'd be like, yes, please, let's go.
We wanted him to have like a little crush on the Oracle because he was so flirtatious, but it turned into he was smitten.
All right, Apollo, play it cool. Don't let her see how freaked out you are. Focus, dude.
AI in this space needs to definitely be ethically sourced and used in a meaningful way rather than just pull from everything. You know, it's something that is tailored and made to fit the narrative and the structure of what it's working with. I think it can make people interact with history and heritage in a more explorative way, in a way that is more meaningful to them personally.
Thank you so much, everyone, for coming. It's been an absolute pleasure. The feedback's been really rich. I think we've gained a real sense that this works beyond just the game that we've made, the use case here that you could apply in any museological cultural heritage setting. There's lots of scope here to follow up, to build bigger partnerships, to try this in different venues, at scale, in different ways, to see if our assumptions hold. We're really excited to take that journey forward.